All right, step 14. Yes. 1 for 1. Ooh. Too bad. Sit. 2 for 1. Very good. 3 for 2. Four for 3. 5 for 4. I'm gonna go ahead and push on that since the treat seemed to be more of the distraction than the object. And we're ready for our full retrieve.